I'm hot, I feel disgusting, I'm sweaty, but we've got a mission, and our mission is to bring you content. I've been doing some work, I swear. Not on cars, my normal day job, which is whatever, everything and nothing at the same time. Anyway, so I posted the VG Valiant video and some people liked it, so I thought I'd go through the archives. I filmed a little bit more when I had a bit more weight. I was carrying a bit more weight, and you know, a bit of the story, and I was working on the engine and doing a whole bunch of fun things. So I thought we would show you a few clips of that. That's back when I was a freshman. I was just filming everything on my iPhone. So this particular car, I think we're probably going to do it as a survivor car. In the next coming days, I'll put the headlining on or in, and I'm sure there'll be a lot of swearing. Please, please, please leave a comment below if you know how to do it, so you know you can help me along. Anyway, guys, enjoy the footage. Hey, it's John from Oz General Store. I've got a bit of an adventure happening tomorrow, so just chilling out. It's Monday night. It's been a big day at work. We've been building lots of farm machinery and keeping everybody happy with all the orders going out for Oz General Store. And yeah, we've got a big day tomorrow. I think we're going to be heading up to Bega, New South Wales, and GPS says 6.5 hours, and with all the piss breaks and you know, just chilling out a little bit. You know, it could take me 7, but I think we're in for a wild ride, and I'm really excited about what we're going to go and have a look at, and yeah, watch this space. 6:15 in the morning. Had an okay sleep, and yeah, about to head off. So wish me luck. Just driving at the moment. I just got into Bega before, had a coffee and chilled out for a bit. And the place that I'm actually going to is about 20 minutes away from Bega, sort of like coming back down towards Melbourne. So I'm just heading down there now. Time to clean. Alright. Let's see the degrees are on for a little bit. See how we go. Sort of burning through the paint here. This looks like house paint. See from there to there. Maybe I would say that's probably the original paint, and that's the house paint there. And I reckon that somebody just put it in a spray gun and just gave it a quick once over, just to protect it over the years.
can see that old house paint there. And the Scotch Brite gets rid of it all. It's just a lot of work, that's all. But I guess I've got plenty of time.
Hey guys, it's John from Oz General Store here. Hope everybody's keeping well, you know, with the current lockdown situation, especially in Victoria. What I've got is I've got my 1970 Valiant, and it was actually at work, and what I've decided to do is bring it home because I want to work on it, you know, my spare time sort of thing at my leisure. So what I've done is I've actually ordered a lot of the parts that I need, especially to service the engine, so I'll be doing that by myself. And having a bit of fun because that's what it's all about. The car's actually been at my mechanics for about a month, where he's overhauled the brake system. What else has he done? We actually had, the car came with new tie rod ends, so he's put them in, and a few other bushes he's put them in as well. So my mechanic's actually really happy with the drive line. I'm going to do the fun stuff, so I'm going to put extractors on the car. I'm going to give it a service. It's a 245 Hemi. It's original numbers matching, and I'm probably going to keep it that way for now. I do have a 318 Chrysler motor which can go into it, and I can basically register it straight away. I do have access to another 360 Mopar engine, but I think that might require some engineering. I'm not quite sure, but for now all I want to do is get it on the road because I'm really excited about this particular car. What I love about this Valiant is I love the body line. She looks alright. She's long. Luckily we've got all this space in my garage. I've got to align this body panel, by the way. I don't know why it's sitting up, but that's probably one of the first jobs I've got to do because it doesn't actually sit down properly. But yeah, let me show you the interior. Come over here, let's have a look. Okay, let's go around the other side and see where that one opens. Well, I want to show you the interior, but this is like my XD Falcon, that thing over there. You guys know that car. Everyone comments, oh, the door handles always break or whatever. Does that extend to the Valiant as well? Dude, I don't know what to do. I might have to go through the window. This is not much fun. Oh. 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 Ah. I still can't reach it. Hey, we're in. So this is the interior. This is the steering wheel. Bench seats. It doesn't have bucket seats. So if I was going to turn it into a pacer, maybe I need some bucket seats, but I think they're too expensive. Needs a new headliner. Let me get out of here first. 1970 was a pinnacle of luxury, but then again I say that about pretty much about all my cars that I own. Looking around, I haven't looked carefully as to whether there's any rust or anything like that, but all that shit should just come off, shouldn't it? You tell me. That headliner there needs to be replaced. I wonder whether I can do that myself. If you guys have any experience with doing that, please let me know, because it looks kind of difficult. I got somebody to do my Tirana professionally, and so, you know, it looks Mickey Mouse, but anyway. So this is the Valiant, this is the interior. If you sort of pan over there, what have we got here? It's got oil, the Speedo. It's kind of weird. It's kind of like, reminds me of like a tooth shape, or like a corn, shape of corn. Fuel, temperature, amps. I don't know, do many cars have amps? I don't know. Wipers, lights, key, and that is broken. And handbrake. Why don't we try start her up? Hey, there's a light. Check that out. It says oil. I haven't serviced the car, so I think it's very smoky. I'll give it a few pumps of the throttle. I don't think I've left any tools on the inside of the engine bay, but anyway, we'll see. Ready? Hey! The 245. That was first go, I'm serious. Well, look at the back, you see all that smoke? Yeah, she's gonna need a service. That's so good. Oh. Oh, I went to go rev it, but it just died. Anyway, got some work to do.
Here's the old oil, no milkiness, no nothing. Doesn't look like there's any crap in the oil either, which is a really good sign. I do suspect that the valve stems have gone, so they'll probably need to be replaced. I reckon it'll still be smoky after you start it up, but we'll see. guys like this type of content, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps us out.